Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best baking pans. Here are the top 3 baking pans that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. Anolon Nonstick Bakeware Set. This set comes with heavy-gauge steel construction which resists warping and provides even heat distribution. Its non-sticky surface provides optimum cooking experience with an easy cleanup procedure. These pans feature wide rims and rubberized handles to ensure a safe grip and a firm grasp while carrying food essentials. The package includes round cake pans, square cake pan, a cookie sheet and a cooling rack for a complete cooking experience. It carries a weight of 8.8 pounds and its dimensions measure 16.75 by 14.75 by 3.75 inches. At number 2. Calphalon Premier Bakeware Set. This bakeware set is oven safe and can be placed directly on countertops after its use in ovens. It possesses a heat-resistant, non-sticky coating with no-slip silicone feet that protects countertops from surface damage. This product is dishwasher safe up to 450 and bakes evenly for a scrumptious and delectable cooking experience. The package includes a large cookie sheet, cake pan, brownie pan, large loaf pan, square cake pan and a muffin pan. Calphalon Bakeware Set carries a weight of 12.47 pounds and its dimensions measure 14.63 by 18.11 by 7.76 inches. At number 1. Chicago Metallic Bakeware Set. This 6-piece set includes a pound loaf pan, baking sheet, cup muffin pan, round pan, square pan and a cake pan. Each component is made from heavyweight, aluminized steel for high heat conduction and optimal baking. The cookingware consists of a non-sticky, dual-layered coating that reduces abrasion resistance and an easy cleanup option. This product is oven safe up to 450 and is a perfect option for all oven baking needs including cakes, pies and biscotti. Hand washing of Chicago Bakeware Set is recommended for lasting performance and long-term use. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.